The seat belt and the curtain airbag. Once you remove those screws and bolts, all you gotta do is just push it back and pull it right out. Welcome back to another episode of We Rebuilds. Today we're just gonna start tearing down the interior today. I've already started. I took the headliner out. There's some creases inside, so you can see all these creases on this side and the creases on this side, but it's not hard to take it out. It's just nothing more than a few clips that hold in everything. But the headliner is out. I'm gonna show y'all how to start taking the pieces out of the car so you could get to the seat belts to change them, or I'm just gonna take out the seat belts and send them to safety restore. So only the seat belts we have to take out, I want to say the driver's side and the two rear seat belts. But before we hop into this video, we have some merch. As you can see, this is the merch for the S5. And in the back, stay positive, stay motivated. So we have shirts, we have in different colors for different sizes. We have some jackets also. So these are the jackets. And the material feels really good. So it feels good. It's not too hard, not too soft. I've washed this shirt about 7 times and it still looks brand new. We have other colors also. We have the blue ones and we have the red ones too. Oh, and I have some more stuff also. We have the key rings. So this is the one that goes around your neck, and there's a couple more that's coming. But everything, if you want to support the channel, it's down in the description below, werebuilds.com. So don't forget, like, share, subscribe, drop your comments and thoughts down below. Check us out on Instagram, and remember, turn your post notifications on so you can get new alerts as we drop a new video. But let's hop into it. So to get this out, all you're just gonna do, and just basically lift up. There's some clips right here. How you take this piece out. So for this piece, all of this is just clips. So you just gotta be careful with how you're removing the clips. So all you're just gonna do is pull on it. So now it's off. You just had to pull on it. So these are where all the clips, just holding everything. So let's keep on working. So there's gonna be one. So there's gonna be one clip back here. All you gotta do is push this piece down and pull it out. Push it down. pull it out. So that's out. Now we're gonna go get those seat belts and take this driver's seat belt off too. So in order to remove the curtain airbag, there's a little pin inside. So it's like you gotta push it inwards. Let me do it. I think it works better with this one. So you push the pin in. You hear that? So that's the pin. So you push it in. It's like a reverse pin, I want to say. So the current airbag is down. Now we just got to pull the actuator out. So what I was explaining when I was saying inside, so if you look inside, there are 2 holes. So what you have to do is just push this pin down in the hole and then move it. So when you see that it's moving, you know, outside, when I say push it away, when you push away, you notice that little clip piece goes in, and when you let it go, it comes back out. So in order to get these 2 side pieces out, you will have to take this out first, because I end up breaking the clip. That's all the way down here. But remove this. To remove it, you just have to just even a little screwdriver to go in between here to take the speakers out. And once you take the speakers out, once you take those small speakers out, there's 4 screws on this sub right here, and that's the way to get it out. In order not to break the tabs, the clips back here. I already got the seatbelt out, the passenger seatbelt out on the driver's side, and the curtain airbag, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. But there's actually a bolt that's under here. It's a 17 bolt, so you have to go from under here to get it. But we're gonna do the passenger side so you could see how to do it. Now I'm just gonna take out the driver's seat belt, and in order to do that, just remove this screw, and then just pull it down. And once you pull it down, you could just remove these actuators for the seat belt, and then remove this bolt, and then you should be good. Let's go. So I'll just remove the 2 screws. So all basically you gotta do is just pull out and pull down, and it comes out. And then make sure these 2 are in. And then all you gotta do is just take this piece off and this piece out. And then we're gonna take the last bolt from right there, and then that should be it. And then we're done with the driver's seat. I don't know if I'm gonna change the colors just yet, so we'll see. So it wasn't this screw that we should remove, it's this one up top. So when you move this one up top, all you're gonna do is just pull it down, or I think it's pull up and then take it out. So let's do that. As you can see, it just basically goes in that groove and slide down, and then the hole is basically right in front of you to line up. So now that's done, I'm just gonna take this screw out, and then this one down here is already loosened. So all I'm just gonna do is just pull the seatbelt right out. So for both the seat belt and the curtain airbag, once you remove those screws and bolts, all you gotta do is just push it back and pull it right out. And then you just get a flat drive screwdriver, and then just take your time and carefully take the wires off. And that's it. So again, with the seat belt, it's like, just remember, just try to find the hole that's right here to just put back the bolt in. But once you put the seat belt in, all you're gonna do is pull it forward to lock it into place, and then all you're just gonna do is bolt it down. But that's how you get out the rear seat belts. So that is a wrap for today's episode on Wee Wee Builds. As you can see, we already took the curtain airbags down. We already removed the seat belts, so those are gonna get sent to Safety Restore. We're gonna get them back in the next episode. Plus, we're gonna get the curtain airbag so we could get the interior done in a timely manner. And once that's done, we're probably gonna try to get the car onto the frame machine. Then we could start digging more down into the other S5, so we could take off some of the front components, try to see if this engine starts. So we're gonna change out the whole wiring harness and put on a new one, and see if this one starts. If it doesn't, we always have the other engine to throw in this one, and then just keep this build on the roll. I do have some other builds coming up, so you probably see me jumping from this one to a next one sometimes, because just trying to get some money together so I could buy the rest of the parts for this, so we could finish this car. But like, share, subscribe, drop your comments and thoughts down below. Click the link in the description so you could hop on the store and support the channel and cop yourself some merch. Until next time, stay positive, stay motivated.